Alright, now welcome to the installation process for IntelliJ IDEA. And just go to the browser again and type in jetbrains.com. This is the company responsible for the development of IntelliJ IDEA. And once you're there, okay, it's taking a while. Go to Developer Tools and look for IntelliJ IDEA. This one, okay. Go to Developer Tools and then IntelliJ IDEA. You can just close this box and click on this IntelliJ IDEA menu and click on download. Okay. Welcome to the Philippines. This is how slow our internet is in the suburbs. And then there are two versions. One is the ultimate and one is community. And this one is paid, and the community version is free, and that's what we're going to install. And as you can see, these are the differences in these two versions, the free and the ultimate. Okay, quite half of the checklist. So just head on and click on download. Now it's taking 2 hours because yeah, the internet is slow and it's 616 MB, and it's my fault. I deleted it in my other units. That's why we have to wait for it till it's done downloading. Anyway, it's just a matter of 30 minutes to 1 hour, so I'll be back in a while. Now once you're done downloading the installer, just click on this one, click on open. On yes, then click on next, and then remember this one, this is the destination folder of the files that we're going to install. Then click on next. Then in this area, in this section, you should consider which operating system version that you're using, and I'm using 64-bit, that's why I have to click on this one. And if you if you are using 32-bit, you should click on the 32-bit and the download and install 32-bit JetBrains runtime. But for me, I'm going to use the 64-bit launcher. And as a recap, as I've told you before, to know, in order for you to know which operating system your computer is running, which operating system version your computer is running, just type 32 on the search bar and click on see if you have a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows in the result. And then once you tap on that one, you will be able to see which version you are using. And it says 64-bit, or you can type dxdiag. And here you will see which operating system you're using, and it says Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. And okay, time to close this one and continue in the installation. So I'm using a 64-bit, and I'll check on the 64-bit checkbox and then click on next, click on install, and just wait for it to finish extracting the files. after clicking finish, it will ask you to it will show you the JetBrains privacy policy. Just confirm, click on confirm. I confirm that I have read and accepted whatsoever. It's up to you if you want to read this, but I think it's about a waste of time if we're going to read that. So just click on that checkbox and click on continue. And consent. Then once you're here, let's just try to customize, and I'll show you the customization. Now the default theme for this, the default theme for the IntelliJ IDEA is the Dracula, which is the dark one, and you can always change that one into light or Windows 10 light and high contrast, or you can just sync it with the OS settings. Okay, so as for me, I prefer the Dracula. What else can we do? For color blind people, you can just you can click on this one if you are color blind. It will adjust for your benefit. And the key map, and that's all that I can show you with the theme settings. So for the next step is that we're going to set up the IntelliJ IDEA and the JDK 11, and we're going to configure them together. Okay, so see you in the next video, and I hope you learned something, and I hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.